Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 2, Week 6, Day 1. Our topic for today is adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Give the correct sum. Lesson purpose intention. To add 4-digit numbers with sums up to 10,000 with regrouping. Lesson language practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Developing understanding of the key idea STEM. We will continue adding numbers up to 10,000 in both expanded and vertical. Step 1. Write in expanded form. 3,484 means 3,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 4. 4,409 means 4,000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 9. We break the numbers apart so we can see the value of each digit. Step 2. Add by place value. Ones, 4 plus 9 equals to 13. Tens, 80 plus 0 is 80. Hundreds, 500 plus 400 equals 900. And thousands, 3,000 plus 4,000 is equals to 7,000. Step 3. Put it all together. 7,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 13 is equals to 7,993. So the sum of 3,584 plus 4,409 is equals to 7,993. Using vertical form. A. Align digits with the same place value. B. Start by adding the digits in the ones place and move to the left. Add 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Write 2 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Then add the tens. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 plus the carried 1 is equals to 12. Write 2 in the tens place and carry over 1 to the hundreds. Add the hundreds. 4 plus 9 is equals to 13 plus the carried equals to 14. Write 4 in the hundreds place and carry over 1 to the thousands. Add the thousands. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 plus the carried 1 equals to 6. Then write it in the thousand place. C. Regroup it needed. We regroup carried over whenever the sum was more than 9. Example number 2. 3,487 plus 2,935. Let's add it using the expanded form. Step 1. Write in expanded form. The 3,487 means 3,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 7. 2,935 means 2,000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 5. Step 2. Add by place value. 1, 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Tens, 80 plus 30 is equals to 110. Hundreds, 400 plus 900 is equals to 1,300. Thousands, 3,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 5,000. Step 3. Put it all together. 5,000 plus 1,300 plus 110 is equals to 12. That is a total of 6,422. So the sum of 3,487 plus 2,935 is 6,422. Let's write the vertical form. Letter A. Align digits with the same place value. Letter B. Start adding from the ones place. 1, 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Write 2, carry 1. Tens. 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 plus 1 is equals to 12. Write 2, carry 1. Hundreds. 4 plus 9 is equals to 13 plus 1 is equals to 14. Write 4, carry 1. Thousands. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Regroup if needed. We regroup in ones, tens, and hundreds. Example number 3. 4,508 plus 2,694. Let's add it using the expanded form. First, write in expanded form. 4,508 means 4,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 8. 2,694 means 2,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 4. Step 2. Add by place value. Ones, 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Tens, 0 plus 90 is equals to 90. Hundreds, 500 plus 600 is equals to 1,100. Thousand, 4,000 plus 2,000 is equals to 6,000. Step 3. Put it all together. 6,000 plus 1,100 plus 90 plus 12 is equals to 7,202. So the sum of 4,508 plus 2,694 is 7,202. Vertical form. A. Align digits with the same place value. B. Starts adding from the ones place. Ones, 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. Write 2, carry 1. Tens, 0 plus 9 is equals to 9, plus 1 is equals to 10. Write 0, carry 1. Hundreds, 5 plus 6 equals to 11, plus 1 is equals to 12. Write 2, carry 1. Thousands, 4 plus 2 equals to 6, plus 1 equals to 7. Regroup if needed. We regroup in ones, tens, and hundreds. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Let's have a class discussion. Find the missing digit. To have 2 in the ones place of the sum and 1/10 to be carried over to the tens place, we need to find the number that when added to 8 result in 12. That number is 4. Since 8 plus 4 is equals to 12, we regroup 12 as 10 plus 2. Then, we write 2 in the ones place of the sum and carry over the 1/10 in the tens column. We then add the digits in the tens column. 1 carried over plus 6 plus 1 is equals to 8. Thus, 8 is placed in the tens place of the sum. We continue by adding the digits in the hundreds column. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. The 7 is placed in the hundreds place of the sum. Finally, we add the digit in the thousands column. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Thus, 2 is placed in the thousand place of the sum. To check, in the tens column, the sum of the digits should be 8. However, we only have 6 and 1, meaning we need to carry over 1/10 to the tens place to achieve the sum. To determine the missing addend, we need a number that when added to 8 results in 2 in the ones place of the sum and carried over 1 to the tens place. Since 8 plus 4 is equals to 12, the missing number is 4. We regroup 12 as 10 plus 2, writing 2 in the ones place of the sum and carrying over a 1/10 to the tens column. Next, add the digits in the tens column. 1 carried over 6 plus 1 is equals to 8. Thus, 8 is placed in the tens place of the sum. For the hundreds and the thousand columns, we just add the digits in each column to get the final sum. Making generalization and abstraction. Everybody will going to read the making generalization and abstraction. Evaluating learning. Assessment 1. Find the sum using both the expanded form and vertical form. Show your solution and final answer. Part 2. Find the missing digits. Here is the expected answer.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to count, read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!